So I'm going to expand this playback range once again, and then here I'm going to start adding in-betweens. Okay, so first after it became stretches and then jumps up, here I'm going to add in-betweens, right? So it was this one, then I'm going to add here as we planned. If something doesn't work, right, we can always go back and change. So, and then, oh, I made a mistake. This one still should be stretched a little bit, right? Okay, but less than this. But it should be more stretchy than this one. Is the stretchiness is between this and this, okay? And then I'm going to go here, right? Oops, I made a mistake here. Sorry, I didn't do Shift J. So I'm going to undo. Here I should have done Shift J first. I'm sorry if I'm confusing you. And then I'm going to draw this one once again. Okay, so stretch it, but less stretch than before. I mean this one. Okay, and then just using a eraser tool, I'm just going to erase some parts. Okay, I'm going to select the brush tool once again, and then I'm going to go here and then Shift J once again. Okay, and then the next one I'm going to add another ball there. Still a little bit stretch it, but it's coming back to the normal shape almost. Okay, as you can see here. So I just so this dot I drew, this is the center of the ball. So if you see it, I need 1, 2, 3 more balls here. Okay, so I'm going to go here and then Shift J here once again. I'm going to put another ball here. This should be back to almost normal shape. Then go here, right, and then add another in between there. So this should be this dot. I mean here should be the center of the ball. So not exactly center. Okay, if you're not if you make mistake, then you can always use select tool and then just move it up a little bit or down a little bit. Okay, and then Shift J here once again. So now this one and another one, just one more. So this is the center of the ball, and you can pretty much draw a ball in between the last red ball and then the green ball. Okay, so let's see. I just want to see okay, I just want to play back and see if it works. Okay, I mean it's better than before. And if it's still too fast, right, we can always add more in-betweens or change things. Okay, so let's draw in-betweens for the coming down part. So find the stretch it ball here. So what we're gonna do here is, and then this one is the highest position, right? What we're gonna do here is basically we're gonna mirror the ball positions that was going up. So we're gonna mirror that. So here Shift J, and then coming down I'm going to draw the ball coming down. So it could be confusing. So that's second, just to draw the second ball, second highest ball, and go here again. I'm going to draw Shift J, and then coming down. Okay, and then we're gonna mirror that again. Okay, so it should be third highest ball. Okay, so this is the center as you can see, and then here I'm going to do Shift J once again. Yeah, I'm going to do the fourth highest. Okay, and then from here this should be straightforward. So just to confirm, so here we're gonna make we're gonna draw this ball, and then shift here, shift J once again, draw this ball. Okay, so okay, let's see now. Okay, and then play back. Okay, looks okay. It looks like at the top it's a little bit off center almost. Okay, so it's getting there, but it's not perfect, or it's not, you know, as good as it should be. So the first thing I'm going to add more is I'm going to add one more scratch down here, maybe two more for the anticipation. So here I'm going to add shift J, and then in between this one and this one, yeah, I'm going to make it a little more squashy. Okay, so there's a kind of slow in there. Okay, then go here and then shift J once again, and then I'm going to draw another one, a little more squash it down. Okay, so okay, you can see this should be a little more squash it to the sides, but it's okay. Let's see for now. Okay, and then the other thing I'm going to add is I want to have a little more hang time there. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to press shift J there, and then as it goes up, right before it reaches, I'm going to just add another position there, almost, right, almost, oops, same as the top position. Okay, and then here I'm going to shift J once again, and then I'm going to do the same thing almost near the top, but it could be just a tiny bit, almost invisibly like lower. Okay, and then it comes down, and I'm going to make this one also right, and needs 2 frames long. Okay, so I'm going to add maybe here, add another empty frame. I'm going to make it squash it, and then comes back, and then down. Okay, so when it comes up and down, before this maybe we can make it come back up in between here. Okay, I'm going to add shift J, and then I'm going to, this is a little bit more stretchy, but it's not as stretchy as this one, but it's more stretchy than the normal shape of the ball. Okay, there's a, and then here comes back down. Okay, and then this one I'm going to make it okay, let's see it first. Okay, so it looks much better, I guess. Okay, so so here I think let's I mean, we can make it a little bit more fun, but let's add some more in the next video, and then after that we're gonna throw the tail. Okay.